How you doing? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what this is? Your girl CC. So by the title, guys, me and Rachel Grace decided to go ahead and do a collab and get ready with me a fall edition. Just go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. You will see future collabs, and if you're interested in collabing, then interest in Rachel as well, because she is amazing. Anything her audience is looking to see, so it's not like she's just stuck on one thing, unlike me. Beauty. I mean, I don't do DIYs, DIYs. I love to eat, don't get me wrong. I may end up doing a mukbang. I don't know. Please check her channel out. When you get through this video, head over to her channel and make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell. I mean, we always appreciate people supporting us and supporting each other and being genuine with it and actually supporting. I mean, you know, it's nothing like having great friends that you do not know that are willing to be genuinely a friend and supportive. But jumping into this video, look at that right there. You see that? I don't know, it's just been like that today. It's really been like running on the side as well. I do not want to mess up my powders I got going on over here. You know, I look kind of snatched, you know. Only thing I have to do now to my complexion, guys, is my contouring, which I probably won't contour. I probably just bronze. You know, I'm just basically gonna try to get these eyes done. And the subject that we are going by is fall edition, so I guess we're going to be talking about some fall stuff. I'm going to be doing this whole lot for the fall. So tell me, y'all, holler at me in the comment section. What is your favorite season? I don't like cold. I feel like cold is for what need to be in the cold. You know what I mean? When it comes to fall, I love the changing of the leaves. I get into a standstill. You know, the bears, they go into this hibernating stage and they just go in for months and months at a time, and they don't come back out until it get damn warm. Both of these palettes just scream fall to me, especially this Makeup Revolution. It's just kind of like scream major fall. Let me show you what the Mixed Metal Glam palette look like. Bam. Never mind the little specks right there. That's just setting powder. So I'm not even setting my eyes. I'm going strictly into this mustard, like yellow looking orange shade right here. Nice. I'm just going to use that for a transition shade. Halloween is just around the corner, and the ones that does trick or treat, I want you guys to stay safe. Normally around this time, my wife always killed two birds with one stone. For anniversary, my birthday is right there, so we always, you know, go somewhere. So she invited my mom last year to go to Vegas with us, and my mom came. Oh my God, it was so shocking. Bam, my mama opened the door and here she like, what's up? And I'm like, damn, mama. It was the best surprise I've ever had because I almost hit them. You know what I mean? Somebody opened up my dang on door at the grocery store. What you doing there? When it comes around the fall season, I've been really side-eyeing her because you just never know. It's just getting rough out there right now. It really is. So now that it's about to be trick-or-treating time, I'm not enthused like I were when I was, what, in my early 20s maybe. I don't know if I want to go mattes or if I want to add some shimmer, because that's what I've been normally doing lately, is adding shimmer. I'm just going to go matte, and if I feel like a shimmer, I just pop it on a matte. How about that? Take away all the color, you know, it's like summer is totally gone and it hurts my feelings. If I can get fall shades into the summer shades, like the pretty nice flowers blooming into the winter time, that would be so pretty. Just imagine. Very matte and powdery. Ooh, yeah, so I better be careful with that. Matter of fact, you know, just need to protect yourself. And y'all know y'all been killing it with the Halloween looks. I wonder if y'all are hashtagging like face off that does like the ghouls, goblins, and you know, like the artistry looks. Y'all have a gift and a talent. I don't think that I'll try. I'm not gonna say I'm like not talented or anything, but I think I just make a fool out of myself. I'll be done broke out in hives. I'll be done caught the chicken pox, the mumps. I grew some ingrown hair somewhere. Be done got 50 pimples. What I'm doing is I'm just going back and forth with the brushes to make sure everything is blending in together. This look nice. I think I want to just leave it like this. The glitter shimmer inside of me is saying no ma'am. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? I think I want to put this nice shimmer green down first because it's feeling like it may just be a little too glittery, powdery like. And then I probably want to top it off with this nice bronze shade. Okay, because this bronze shade doesn't look as glittery as this green. I don't know, maybe I need to use some of that glitter stay. So let's put some of that glitter stay on top. Right on top. Come on, mirror, mirror, mirror on the wall. Oh yeah, I like it. Applying that glitter with your finger is bomb. That glitter stay is even bomber because the glitters is not actually falling everywhere. That's what I like in the glitter, man. So moving right on top of that, what is going on today? So going right on top of that shade. Ooh. Now that's what you call a fall damn shade. I love it. That's amazing. That's bomb ass. So I want to, oh my God, I really want to incorporate this green. I have to. I freaking have to, man. I'm just daring myself to, and I'm going to. I'm kind of scared to use that right now because I don't want to mess this up. This is very fall light. What I want to do with that shade, I want to pop it right there. I don't know because they're not listed anywhere. But in this palette, the Profusion Mixed Metal Glam palette, that shade is called Interest. And oh my God. That is gorgeous. And it mixed in very well with those other damn shimmers. Let me go ahead and finish this other eye real quick, guys. I'll be right back. The other eye is done and I'm loving the way this looks. Very fall, very festive, and it's just ready for a party. I don't think this is the fall look that I was going for when I applied that. It was just shocking to me that I needed to use it. But it's nice. I mean, it looks like a little ornament on a Christmas tree. I am going to add a liner, and the liner I'm going to add is dark brown shade in the NYX. It's the NYX Jumbo Pencil. So I do want to add that brown in, so I don't know if it's going to mess it up or do something special or what. So we're going to find out. Okay. Out of that Makeup Revolution stamp, that's on the eyeliner. So I'm just going to add just a little bit more of the green and bronze shimmer. Some lashes, mascara, some contour, lip, and we'll be through. So going on and contouring, I'm going to try to use this Bare Minerals Bare Pro. This is in the shade Hazelnut. I haven't used this before, but I really love this shade, and it seems to be a real nice bronzer shade. Yeah. You know, when it get cold outside, your skin get a little drier. Some of us do anyway. My skin is crazy sometimes, y'all. I don't care what time of the year it is. I'm mostly combination oily skin. If I'm just sitting and doing my makeup, I think like after 25 or maybe 30 minutes in doing it, I get glowy and oily. I mean, I'm just in there like 35, maybe 40 minutes in the video, and I'm already looking like a little glow bug. Let me take away some of this shine. Oh my goodness, that is terrible. Okay, for the lips, this eye look is so catching, so I'm not going to go like really bold with it. Outlining my lips, I'm going to use the shade Molasses in the Sephora, and I think I'm going to use the Anastasia in the shade Amber, the lip gloss. I like the blot up there, you know, it's sexy. So you guys feeling the hair? I mean, it's a new color. I'm so glad you stuck around to see this final look because, guys, it was like, oh. Make sure you go check out Rachel's Gray's channel. And, guys, we love you so much. Thank you for all the support. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this look. Is this something you would normally wear for the fall? If not, what would you do different? What kind of colors would you do? festivities on what you have going on for the Halloween, the festivities you have going on for Thanksgiving, and so on and so on. I'm going to do some slow-mos, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.